Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry gravy. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until they are translucent and fragrant, about 5 minutes. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful gravy. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste and toast the spices, releasing their full aroma. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring no lumps form. Allow the gravy to simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. The gravy should coat the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust the seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper as needed. A dash of cream or coconut milk can add richness. Your delicious curry gravy is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with fries, rice, or as a sauce for chicken or vegetables. For storage, simply refrigerate any leftovers in a sealed container for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking up a storm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.